birthday, happy 18th birthday. I wish for all your wishes to come true. Hope you have fun tonight, and ayaw sa pagkiat-kiat ha, ikaw ba? Okay, bye, happy birthday!
Ate Bambam, I hope to see you again. Enjoy your day. And wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
To come there? No, not there.
Not there. Say bye, Ate Bambam. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bambam. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bam. Wish you all the best. 18 na ka, na may uyap, unsa man. Or unsa. Basta, kuan ha, pagtarong lang dito eskwela, and basta makagraduate lang, and all the best, and happy birthday again. We love you, and we miss you. Bye-bye.
How about you, Sabi?
Say hi.
Say happy birthday.
Say happy birthday na.
Say happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday, ate. Sige na.
Hey.
Hey, Xavier.
Okay, just flying kiss then.
Flying kiss, flying kiss.
Flying kiss.
Flying kiss. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Say yung bahay ko po.
Say bye.
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 birthday!
Hi, Bam, happy birthday and welcome sa adult life. I'd like to wish you wisdom and the wisest decisions to power you through success in life, because it's just not the same being an adult and being a teen. So, well, we sure hope you success and happiness. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bam.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Bam! Happy birthday! Ang akong wish para nimo, kung unsa man galay mo mga desisyon, kung naa kadaghan niya, mag-expect ko nimo nga ikaw responsible sa akong kagalingon, responsable na kayo ka. Keep it up. Happy birthday!
Happy 18th birthday, Bam! Ang akong wish ni mo is good health, happiness, and success. So, kung success, happiness. So, I know that you are big girl ba ng 18? Pero, kuan na ka kanang responsable.
Hingkod.
O hingkod na ka. So nanaka sa nanaka sa kanang adulthood. So take care sa imong kaugalingon. Tuon lang maayo unya be successful sa imong schooling and sa imong unya career. More na akong wish nimo. Happy birthday.
I love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ate Bambam.
Ate Bambam. Today is someone's birthday too. Happy birthday, and I wish you a Merry Christmas.
What? Okay. And then?
Love you. Bye.